Hi, this is Nirav Shah, Director of Rotis Automation Limited. Today we are going to discuss what are the typical pitfalls in your solenoid valve selection journey. Solenoid valve is a complex product, and unless one uses a right solenoid valve just apt for one's application, one may be either compromising on the safety or performance or paying a higher price. As you can see, there are a host of varieties of solenoid valve, and without taking a right advice, one can get lost. A wrong choice of solenoid valve can lead to major safety violations. Take an example for a fuel vending pumps or refineries or LPG bottling plant or CNG dispensing stations. Here, if explosion-proof solenoid valves are not used, can lead to fire hazard or even up to explosion. Also, wrong choice can compromise equipment performance significantly. Example, water fountains or LPG gas burners. Here you need least flow resistance solution as a wrong valve choice can lead to deterioration in the end performance. There are many such examples to discuss. Rotex can help you choose the right solenoid valve with its 54 years of vast and diversified experience, serving over 37 distinct industries and over 7,000 customers across 73 countries. A small customization of the solenoid valve can lead to a great amount of saving or performance improvement. Such customization may include combining various components in the downstream upstream of the solenoid valve, or change in the size or orientation of the valve, or meeting specific environmental conditions. A supplier component to build such a special solution quickly and cost effectively is the key. Rotex, with its 40 design engineering team in new product development, has developed over 6,100 customized solutions for its customers, and we can help you too. If you are looking for a highly reliable solenoid valve for ultra critical application where a single failure of a solenoid valve can cost you a fortune, then SIL 3 certified solenoid valve is a must. Rotex has over 125 solenoid valve configurations which are SIL 3 certified with world's lowest lambda values, which can be used in such critical application, ensuring a highest safety and uptime. Almost 3 to 6 months go into supply chain till solenoid valve comes into its actual use, and thus leaving just 9 to 6 months of warranty period. Rotex provides a unique warranty program where product it is warranted for minimum 1.5 years from date of invoice and 1 year from the date of installation, whichever is earlier, thus ensuring a needed warranty period during its use. I recommend you to contact our product experts by filling the form at the top of the web page or calling on this number here. Our expert team then can support you in choosing the right solution for your application. And Rotex has over 71,000 catalog and over 6,100 customized solenoid valve solutions, and one of this can be just apt for your application. So why do wait? Contact us right now. Thank you.